48. The victory. This is a Madani surah. According to Sayyidina Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, this surah was revealed when Muslims were returning from Hudaybiyah. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah took place in the 6th year of Hijrah. This surah has 29 verses in 4 sections. The surah talks about the moral and physical victory of Islam over the forces of unbelief. The hypocrites and disbelievers will be disappointed with this victory. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. The victory that came through the Treaty of Peace at Hudaybiyah. Number 2. The hypocrites and their false excuses. Number 3. Allah is pleased with the believers who are with the Prophet. Allah's promises for the believers. Number 4. Ultimate trump of Islam.